The third method for finding solution is transposing. Transposing means one equation have LHS and RHS. So in this method we can move the terms from LHS to RHS, also RHS to LHS. So it is moving. Here which operation is taking? The reverse operation will be taking to the next side. We will solve by example now. Question is 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. Look at here, this is the LHS and this is the RHS. LHS have two terms, 2y and 5 by 2. So we want to make the variables in one side and numerical values in the another side. So here 2y is the variable term. So it will be stay here only. I am moving 5 by 2 to the right side of the equation. So 2y is there. 2y is equal to 37 by 2 already is here. Here it is addition. So it is moving to the RHS. It will coming subtraction. 5 by 2. So which implies 2y is equal to, both the denominators are same. So 37 minus 5 by 2. That is 2y is equal to 37 minus 5. That is 32 by 2. That is 2y is equal to 32 by 2. 60. 1 2 is equal to 2. Remaining 1. See 12. 12. 6 2s are 12. 60. So listen here. 2y is equal to 60. That means we want to find it the variables only y. So y will be stay here and 2 want to move. How to move? 2 is in multiplication here. So it is going to right side. It will come division. So y is equal to 16 by 2. So y is equal to 16 by 2. 8. So the solution of this equation is y is equal to 8. Next question. 5 by 2x is equal to 25 by 4. Here also this is the LHS and this is the RHS. The second question. Then 5 by 2 is the coefficient of x. So we want to move it this into opposite side. How to move? 5 in multiplication and 2 in division. Two way we can move. First we want to move 2, then we want to move 5. That's also possible. Otherwise you will take the reciprocal of this fraction and multiply it. That both the case is possible. So I will take first one by one movement. So 5x is equal to 25 by 4 into 2. That is 2 2s are 4. Which implies 5x is equal to 25 by 2. Then it is multiplication. So it is coming to here, it will become division. So x is equal to 25 by 2 by 5. That is x is equal to 25 by 2 into 1 by 5. That is 5 5s are 25. X is equal to 5 by 2. 2 is equal to 30. So here 2 times is there. So I am taking first term to move. 7m is equal to 13. Here is addition. So it is coming to subtraction. 19 by 2. Here 7m is equal to, here it is the denominator is 1. So we are going to cross multiply here. 13 into 2 minus 19 by 2. That is 7m is equal to 13 into 2. That is 26 minus 19 by 2. 7m is equal to 26 minus 9. It is the value 7. 7 by 2. Then 7 is in multiplication, so it is going to division. So m is equal to 7 by 2 into 1 by 7. Then 7 and 7 will be cutted. M is equal to 1 by 2. 3 into n minus 5 is equal to 21. Here n minus 1, n minus 5 in bracket and 3 is the common multiple of this n minus 5. So first we want to move this into RHS. So take it, n minus 5 is equal to 21. Here it is multiplication, so it is coming to division in by 3. That is n minus 5 is equal to 7 3s are 21. So 7. Next LHS have two terms, n and 5 minus 5, and here it is 7. So it is moving minus 5 to opposite direction. N is equal to 7. It is subtraction. So it is coming to addition in the opposite side. So 7 plus 5. N is equal to 12. Then minus 4. 2 plus x is equal to 8. Here it is minus 4. Minus 4 in multiplication, it is coming to division. So 2 plus x is equal to 8 into 1 by minus 4. Which implies 2 plus x into 2 4s are 8. So 2 by minus 1, that is minus 2. Minus 2, which implies 1 2 is there, we want to go to opposite side. X is equal to minus 2 already is here. Here plus 2. It is going to opposite side, coming minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2, that is x is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2, that is minus 4. That is x is equal to minus 4.